question on the board. Shalom, Rabbi. Question about Christmas. There's actually like 4 questions, so I'm gonna read it one by one. Number 1, how does one respond to many greetings of Merry Christmas? I feel uncomfortable responding it.
Of course, we should not. And maybe I should send like every year like on Torah Anytime. They post exactly the same lecture. It's audio lecture with all of the sources, and BeEzrat HaShem, we should find it. Maybe somebody else is going to find it. It's Rabbi Kellerman, like it's starting with K, and he gives this lecture like to college kids or something, right? And he gives like amazing presentation, amazing like all of the facts are there. So after, I would say we divert this question to his long answer. So once you listen to what happened in this day and what they were doing to the Jews and how we have been humiliated and killed and all of these other bad things, so you're going to be disgusted. You understand? And you'll find the words to stop them. Right? So I like in my office, so I would say I'm a religious Jew. Oh, happy holidays. I say thank you. So I would not tell them. And so normally what people do is happy holidays, past 10 years over happy holiday season. I say thank you very much. Thank you. So what would I wish them holiday season? No, I would not. I would not wish them happy holiday season, because their season is Yoshka season. So when like before this day, so it was good because many people, it was half a work day for us. Many people would take off. I would never ever take off this day. Never ever. I would come to the office, and before the New Year's, because January 1, so I would try like to escape when people are like somewhere when where people would like leave, like they were, I think it was also half a day, maybe not, I don't remember. So I would go to the restaurant, go to outside when people leave, like I would come back, so I'm still there, all my my things are still there, so do not wish all of this craziness. You understand? So, and try to avoid, because why? Well, when when you're going to hear what actually happened, it would be disgusting from 25th and from January 1st, what they were doing to our nation. Okay. And I offered to a few people, right? And some of they, I mean, I sent, I don't know if they watch or not, but that's a proper way to do. Okay. Don't be politically correct. Okay. Of course, they wish you a good holiday season. You say thank you. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi. Okay. Question number 2. What do you do with Christmas gifts from relatives? Rabbi has explained that we don't celebrate.
Okay, so you see that if it's specific for that day, that's the problem, where we cannot derive benefit, because it's like deriving benefit from idol worshiping. And in this class, you're going to see how it's all started. This gifts. So gifts started that I think it started in Rome. They were making Jews. They would obligated the Jews to give money. You know for what? For converting them to Christianity, and it was mandatory. That's how the gift started. The gift idea for this idol worship and holiday started. So of course we have to destroy the gifts and send them back. No, I'm not celebrating. Please don't say spend money. It's idol worship. And so it's proper to say the idol worship. So as we said, with this class of Shmiras Lashon, not to speak Lashon Hara, you have to be strong one time. You say, I'm different now. I was wherever I was, so I'm different now. It's idol worship. I want to send you the link. So, and if you know that person was sending you these gifts for past 10 years, 7 years, 25 years. So most likely he or she is going to send you again. So send them link. So please watch that. I cannot accept gifts. So please, thank you very much. Please understand. And here's the explanation. You understand? So I mean, be proactive. Do it in advance.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So before I continue with the next question, are birthday gifts problematic in some way?
No.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. This birthday gift have nothing to do with idol worshiper, idol worshiping. Okay, that's okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Question number 3: is it best to destroy old Christmas things?
Yes, it was a part of Avodah Zarah, idol worshiping. Yes. So meaning again, like with this immodest clothing, don't give to anybody. You understand?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Next question. This is great. Some people expect Christmas greetings because they send Happy Hanukkah greetings. What is the best way to explain it to them?
That's with our politically correct world. That's what exactly I had this issue. So that's huge issue in my office. That's exactly what I was saying, to say happy holiday. So and it's the happy holiday season, right? And I had this woman. She was Italian. I mean, she's still Italian. So she's very like crazy woman, and she said like when they first started, I don't remember when this, like maybe 10 or maybe 15, I don't know how many years ago they started this politically correctness, maybe 15 years ago. So I've been okay, approximately 10 15 years ago, they say holidays greetings. So she said, no, and she was like insisting to says Merry whatever, I'm not going to say what, right? To at least to all of the Christians, right? And they have this unity thing, and she was trying, of course, to be nice to me, wish me all of this, she knew the whole Jewish calendar, because I think because her mother was a teacher, the schools were closed. I don't know, whatever, but she knew. Doesn't matter, she knew. But when it come like not to greet her, so I would leave early, or like when she like I would be busy, whatever she goes for her holidays, not to tell anything. I mean, I'm sure people understood what's going on, but it's their own business. Like, look, I'm not trying to be like politically correct. They don't like me. Okay, they don't like me, but they would forget people, especially. Who eat non-kosher food, like all these things. Who watch TVs, who watch this I don't know, this whatever they watch, because they or play games. Even adults play games because they used to all this constant movement on the screen, so they cannot hold concentration. So even though like maybe today she noticed I did not answer, they did not greet them with all of the holidays. So I mean, next day she would get the point. I mean, she'll forget. 2 days later, after her holiday, she would come home, come to office, or other people. They'll forget. Okay, understand? So that's what this Chofetz Chaim said. It's we must like withstand the pressure for a few times, and they're going to go. These Jews. Okay. No problem. I mean, of course, they would be trying to be nice to you, but you can be nice to them in many ways without acknowledging the pagan holidays. That's it. But if you know that somebody is going to get offended from the family, this and that, so tell them in advance. So here's the thing. That's why I think that's disgusting. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Next next question on the board. When strangers wish me the Avodah Zarah greeting, I've gotten used to just pretend that I misheard them and responding, "Great, how are you doing?" They respond whatever, and I say glad to hear it and move on quickly. These methods always worked out so far, but does it constitute sheker?
I mean, when this respond great is a problem, so they would say, oh yeah, my Yoshka is great, my this is great and that great. So if on one hand, if it's the only way to avoid it, and because you need to be friendly with these people, so yeah, you can give totally random answer to whatever, right? They greet you. Oh, 1 second. By the way, I meant to ask you, how's your cat? How's your cat? I haven't seen your cat in the window for 3 days. Is he okay? Always, I don't have a. Oh, you don't have a cat? Sorry. I always thought that you have a cat, and I know a person like that, and he would avoid all of the straightforward questions, and of course it's very annoying. But other people find it entertaining, right? If you can say that straightforward, that I'm a different person. I know that you're my brother, you're my neighbor for past 17 years, but you know what, I'm different, so I'm trying not to use this Yoshka greeting or this greeting, so I'm trying to stay away. It's Avodah Zarah, so I'm different. So if you can say that, so maybe 1 time or 2 times they're going to leave you alone. But if it's going to create big issue, huge issue, like at work or something, maybe use this different tactics. But my approach, if it's possible to resolve forever and ever 1 time, I told it in 2 times, so it would be better. So people would leave you alone. They would see this crazy person. Who needs them?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.